The model maker job, first, the most important one, to see the bigger picture, and then concentrate your focus on the detail. If you don't see the bigger picture, you will not be able to do the detailing. My name is Richard Tenguerian. I'm founder of Tenguerian Models. What we do, professional architectural models. We serve architects, developers, art galleries, and collectors. Architects use models to bring their ideas into reality. Architects provide us sketches, drawings, sometimes sketches on a napkin, and they tell us we want something like this, like that. So I have to read their mind. They always tell me, you read the mind of architects. We are interpreters, translators. Practically, we do everything. We build buildings, cars, people, trees, but in a smaller scale. Architecture is all about the space, and the spaces are all about proportion. Architects, in order to design a space, they have to think in three-dimensionally. So physical models are only way they can see their ideas. Somehow model is the first step that the project takes life. If you have physical model, it's like exact replica of real building in a smaller scale. You can touch it, walk around, and you see what's front, what's back, what's top, what's bottom, how pieces come together. You can feel the texture of the material. You can relate the spaces. They keep improving until they satisfy that this represents their vision. And afterwards they build the real structure. We are based on conventional method and technology. So any project come, we see what's the best method to approach. If we see some parts that need to be digitally printed in 3D printer, we use that method. So it all depends on the project. 3D printing, it's more additive technology. It's like adding ink on top of each other and building up the form that you desire. It's a specific resin that it melts and apply on surface. The result is unbelievable. Since architect designing now irregular forms, organic forms, very elaborate, radical way of thinking and designing, they can do that radical thinking in computer, and we can take that files and draw in the 3D printer to get the shape of form that they like to have. I like every model I build. I have to work personally with every architect at the beginning to see what their expectations are. And as soon as I understand, I can mold that thing the way I want it, And sometimes I see projects start taking life in early stage. We do like very preliminary sketch model. After 8 years, 10 years, you see approval and groundbreaking. That's kind of very energetic moment, that you were part of it. Always your imagination, creativity, because that's the most valuable treasure you can have as a human.